This episode of Panda Talks on a current topic is about the situation along the line of actual control, LAC, with China in eastern Ladakh, which has now seen the loss of lives for the first time in many decades. China has repeatedly provoked by amassing troops on the LAC, which the Indian Army has resolutely pushed back, most recently in Doklam in 2017. This year in May, China again provoked in an unprecedented manner by amassing a huge number of machines and men close to the LAC. The Indian Army responded, and the two militaries have been in close proximity, and there have been several face-offs over 7 weeks. Through talks by both diplomatic and military channels, a de-escalation was agreed on June 6th and was under implementation when yesterday evening, June 15th, Indian troops saw that China was unilaterally trying to violate the LAC by establishing a post, which they vehemently opposed. And as evening turned into night, clashes turned violent. One Indian colonel and 2 soldiers have died and several are injured. The Indian Army has been transparent about this and issued a statement early. There are dead and injured on the Chinese side as well, and more details are awaited. From the morning of June 16th, military commanders have been engaged in discussions at site to defuse the situation. The Indian Army has shown enormous bravery and courage at great risk to protect our borders, and the Modi government is committed to backing it to the hilt and to be guided by the Army's professional advice. In recent times, the infrastructure build-up along the LAC has also been speeded up by the Indian government. At this time, it is important for all Indians to stand together, united as one, to back our armed forces. India's government is committed that there will be no unilateral change of the LAC. Jai Hind.